Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 3rd, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, big day yesterday, big tariff news yesterday, like I was warning people. Pretty wild for sure. I mean, honestly, after the smoke clears, it definitely looks like it played out pretty much exactly as we thought. It just went way down, dig a big old stop hunt before it went back up. Now, if you watched my most recent videos, whoops, then you'll know that I've been saying for a while that I think this is a WXY. It looks like it's kind of hard to see on this time frame, honestly. The 4 hour time frame, I think, is much better for the WXY because it is very clearly three waves down, three waves up, three waves down. That is a 333 pattern, and I think it's a higher high wave X and a lower low wave W. So it's kind of like a expanding WXY. I personally think this is the end of a correction. If that is the end of a correction, it should take out the previous highs and most likely go way higher. I got my Fibonacci extension on here. If it's a wave C, it's probably going to go up to about the 0.65 area. If it's a wave 3, it's probably going to go up to the 0.67 area. So either scenario, I personally would be very bullish. I would not be trying to go long right now at the top of a giant move, but I definitely would be looking for pullback entries to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. Whether it makes a pullback now, it probably will because it just took out that high, or whether it makes a pullback later, I don't really care. I just know that if I see a three-way pullback, I definitely will be ready to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.